Runway at Work, a practical handbook. 1. Getting set up. Go to runwayml.com and create an account. Choose a plan, free, limited exports, watermarks, standard/pro, best for teams, unlocks, HD, longer videos, collaboration. Create a workspace. Each project, campaign, training video, ad, gets its own workspace. Invite teammates via email if collaborating. 2. Core tools and how to use them. A. Text to video, Gen 2. OpenAI magic tools. Text to video. Write a specific prompt. Describe subject, action, style, camera angle, lighting. Pick aspect ratio 16:9 for presentations, 9:16 for social, 1:1 for ads. Generate multiple variations, export. Edit further if needed. Work uses ads, explainer snippets, visual pitches, background video editing tools, green screen, cut backgrounds without a physical setup, in painting, remove unwanted items, logos, clutter, motion tracking, attach text or graphics to moving objects, image to video, animate still product shots, see audio tools, text to speech, generate voiceovers in different tones and languages, subtitles or transcripts, auto caption for accessibility, sound effects, add audio layers that match the scene. D. Collaboration and export share project links for reviews. Export in MP4, MOV, or GIF. Integrate with Adobe Premiere Pro for polish. 3. Best practices. Start with drafts, review, refine. Prompts should be clear plus detailed, style, angle, mood. Add branding logos, fonts, colors before final delivery. Batch generate variations to save time. Confirm licensing for external public campaigns. 4th, example use cases by team marketing, social media ads, product teasers, product demo videos, UI animations, sales, custom pitch intros, HR internal comms, onboarding videos, training modules, creative agencies, mood boards, client visualization. 5. Suggested workflow brief, draft. Generate variations from prompt. Review. Collect team client feedback. Refine. Edit visuals. Add text, audio. Polish. Export HD. Adjust branding. Deliver. Publish or present. 6. Prompt library for workplace scenarios. Here are ready-to-use prompt templates you can adapt. A. Marketing. A sleek product showcase of your product. Cinematic lighting. Rotating on a glass surface. Dramatic background. Professional advertisement style. Energetic social media ad. People using your product service. Vibrant colors. Upbeat atmosphere. Fast-paced editing. B. Product and UX. A clean animated visualization of a mobile app interface, minimal design, smooth scrolling motion, futuristic glow. 3D style product demo video of product, zooming in on key features, modern tech ad aesthetic, sales, dynamic opening title card, company name, bold typography, animated logo reveal, corporate yet modern look. Business presentation opener, city skyline time-lapse, motivational tone, crisp and professional style. Director Human Resources and Internal Communications. Friendly onboarding video, diverse group of employees collaborating in a bright open plan office, warm tone, realistic cinematic style. Training tutorial clip, employee explaining something to colleagues, office background, clear and professional style. E-creative mood boards, concept visualization, futuristic workspace, minimal architecture, ambient lighting, cinematic camera sweep. Mood board style video, vibrant colors, fast cuts between nature, cities, and people collaborating, energetic soundtrack. With this video plus prompt library, you can train your team quickly and have them generating professional-grade AI content in no time.